You have a big idea, and what you want to do is research. You wish it were that easy, but you have to read a lot of articles, file stacks of papers, deal with emails, manage to-do lists, organize your schedule, store documents, and then if you collaborate with other researchers, it gets even more complicated. Well, CoalWhiz has been designed by researchers just like you, so you can focus on your big idea. Create a free CoalWhiz account, and immediately you can search and find publications, import your papers and references, automatically find article PDFs and take notes, write new papers, and automatically generate bibliographies in Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, and LaTeX. You can also create tasks and to-do lists, maintain a calendar to stay ahead of deadlines, and store your data and files. Collaborating with other researchers is simple. You can create groups and projects, and share publications, as well as your calendars, tasks, and files. CoalWhiz is available online, on your desktop, and on mobile devices. You'll never lose your important research because it's all securely stored in the cloud. It's time to organize your research life and bring your big ideas to the world.